How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find deleted friends on Snapchat. If you open Snapchat, you'll get an interface like this. And if you go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the top left of your screen, you'll find an option add friends and my friends, and if you go to my friends, here you'll find all of your friends. Now if you unfriend someone by mistake, let's say I unfriended this person, then the only way you can add them is if you know their username or if they are in your contacts. Now if they are in your contacts, what you can do is simply go back and go to add friends. Now you can open all your contacts and you'll find them in your contacts and you can add them from here. But what if they are not in your contacts? Now the only way is if you remember the username. Now if you can't remember the username, then what you can do is go to add friends and simply on quick add hope they pop out here somewhere. Now if they don't pop out here, what you can do is head over to your chats, and on chats if you scroll, then if you unfriended someone, let's see who has unfriended me here. Now you can see this person who have cross icon beside their name are not friends with me anymore. Now how can I add them? Now if I open the profile, you can see I can't send them friend request. So if I open up the profile by tapping on the profile icon, and once here, what I need to do is I need to remember the username. You can see the username Laxmis205. Now what I need to do is tap on the three dots on the top right corner and tap on remove friend. Now since this user unfriended me, so what I need to do is remove them friend from here, and now go back and on search friend I need to search for their username, and you can see the person has appeared here and I can find them here and I can add them. So this way you can find deleted friends on Snapchat. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.